This guy was about to leave his dock and then this happened. Now, this video is labeled docking fail on YouTube, and yeah, okay, you can call it a docking fail, a little shit show, but come on, you leave the dock enough times, you're bound to forget and not pay attention to a little line. I see it happens all the time. So while you could say that he failed, he did plenty of good things, so let's go over them. The first thing is leaving with control speed. There is no wind, so there is no really need to leave at strong speed. He's going out as slow as possible, which made the shit show not shit showy at all. The second thing is not panicking. When he noticed that something was wrong, that guy was chill. He saw that the boat was turning to the left, so he slowly turned the helm to the right. He engaged the boat back in neutral and even waited like 3 seconds before engaging it back to reverse. He saw that he has fender and that he has some room to maneuvers from his neighbors, so he just slowly went back to his place, checked what's wrong, and then put the boat into neutral, fixed it, and went out to his normal routine. I see it so many times with inexperienced skippers, that stress and panic and hard throttle smashing when something unexpected happens. This is what's gonna cause you serious damages or injury. Relax and breathe. You got fenders, you got insurance. It's only in serious windy conditions that I would advise a strong throttle smash. But if it's gentle wind in a fendered up marina, relax, take it easy. Now, to avoid this in the first place, do a walk around the boat before you leave the dock and make sure that you notice all the lines that are attached from the boat to the land. And yes, that includes your shorelines and your gangway. But even with that habit, you cannot notice all the things all the time, especially if you're living on your boat 24/7. But if you have good fail switches, for example, leaving at control speed or not panicking when a stressful situation happens, you're gonna leave this tiny shit show as a tiny shit show. It's not gonna expand. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.